I am Rich and Palma Kaibigan, and today we'll be exploring the importance of differentiated instructions and flexible modalities in enhancing student learning outcomes. We'll also be discussing various learning strategies that can be used to cater to diverse learning needs. So what is differentiated instruction? It is an approach to teaching that recognizes students' diverse learning needs and styles. It involves tailoring instructions to meet the unique needs of each student, providing multiple pathways to learning and assessing students' progress in various. Let us proceed to flexible modalities. What is flexible modalities nga ba? Flexible modalities refers to the different ways in which students can access and engage with learning content. This can include visual, auditory, and kinesthetic approach, as well as technology-enhanced learning experiences. And now, let us proceed to the learning strategies. Some effective learning strategies that can be used in conjunction with differentiated instruction and flexible modalities include learner-centered media. Using media that is relevant and engaging to students such as videos, podcasts, and interactive simulation. Second is the discussion. It is encouraging students to engage in discussions, to share their perspectives, to build critical thinking skills, and develop their communication skills. Third is the small group activities. Using small groups to facilitate collaborations, problem solving, and teamwork. Fourth is case study. Case study, it is using real-life scenarios to teach critical thinking, problem solving, and decision-making skills. Next is the jigsaw puzzle. It is a cooperative learning strategy that involves dividing students into small groups to work on a specific task or project. And the last one is the discovery learning. It is encouraging students to explore and discover concepts through hands-on experiences and experimentation. There are benefits of differentiated instruction and flexible modalities, which includes increased student engagement and motivation, improved student outcomes and achievements, enhanced critical thinking and problem solving, better teacher and student relationships and feedback, more effective use of technology in the classroom. In conclusion, differentiated instruction and flexible modalities are essential in today's classroom. By using a range of learning strategies, teachers can cater to diverse learners' needs, increase students' engagement, and improve academic outcomes. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this video has provided valuable insights into the importance of differentiated instruction and flexible modalities. Thank you.